Hello, welcome to the next section. Today we are going to do the second sum of the final accounts. So let's read. From the following trial balance and adjustment given below, you are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss account for the year 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet. And the partners are Shilpa and Katrina. Two partners are given, Shilpa and Katrina. So as I taught you before, we have to be ready with the format: a trading account, profit and loss account, partners account, and a balance sheet. So as I told yesterday, we need to know about all the entries that are going to come in the respective ledgers. I have been marked them previously, so we are going to put them according to these names. Okay, so let's see. As I told, we have to start with the trading account. The compulsory entries are to opening stock. Okay, let's see, is there any opening stock? Okay, stock is 65,000, so we have to write opening stock 65,000. Next, any purchases? Okay, we have purchases. And do we have purchase return? Yes, we have purchase return also. So two purchases, how much? 50,000 in inner column less purchase return, how much? 1480 in bracket, and we have to minus 50,000 minus 1480, which is 48,520. Next, the compulsory entry is by sales. So do we have sales? Yes, we have. Sales is 1,20,000. Any sales return? 20,000. 2,000. So 1,20,000 is the sales less sales return 2,000. Okay, so the answer will be 1,18,000. Okay, next, now we have to do the things given according to the trial balance. First, land and building. Land and building is assets, so we have to go in the balance sheet. In the asset side, we have to write land and building. Okay, do we have an adjustment on land and building? Yeah, we have. Land and building, we have to depreciate it for 5%. So land and building, we have to write in inner column. So it is 37,800 less depreciation at the rate 5%. We have to write 37,800 into 5%, which is 1,890. We have to less it. So less 37,800. The answer is 35,910. So we have to write this amount in the profit and loss account because it is an adjustment. So the second entry will come in the profit and loss account. So leaving one line, we have to write to depreciation account. You have to underline it and write land and building. The amount which we have written here was 1890. Okay, so we have to go ahead. Furniture is asset again, so you have to write furniture. Okay, are there any adjustments? Okay, furniture by 10%. So furniture is 17,250 less depreciation 10%. So the 10% is, we have to cut a 0. So 1725 is the amount. So we have to less 17,250 minus 1,725. The answer will be 15,525. Again, the depreciation amount we have to carry forward in the profit and loss account here. Furniture 1725. Now we have to add them both. Okay, so the answer will be 1890 plus 1725. It is 3615. Next, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors is an asset, so again in the balance sheet, sundry debtors. So debtors, the answer is 40,000. As we know, debtors have adjustment, so the adjustment is this one. Okay, this is done. We have to write this one. We have to provide bad debts for 1,000 and RDD for 3%. Okay, so less new bad debts. As I told yesterday, the bad debts which are given in the adjustments are the new bad debts. So bad debts, we have to less. It was 1,000, so the answer will be 39,000 less new RDD, okay, which was at the rate 3%. So 39,000's 3%, 39,000's 3%, which is 1170, 1,170. We have to less it again. So less, the answer is 37,830. Answer is 37,830. Okay. As I said, these both are going in the profit and loss account, which was in the formula. So we have to write the formula. The formula was 2 old bad debts plus new bad debts plus new RDD, the total of them, and then less the old RDD if given. So we will write, we have to write the old RDD which is in this. So here it is 400 plus the new RDD was 1,000 and the new RDD was 1170. We have to add them both. So 400 plus 1,000 plus 1170. The answer is 2,570. We have to less the old RDD. Is there any old RDD? Yes, it is given here. It is 1,000. So we have to less 1,000 from here. So the answer will be 1,570. Next, printing and stationery. Printing and stationery, it is an expense. Okay, so it will come in PD. So printing and stationery. Okay, we have to check there are any entries related to printing and stationery. No, so it will directly come under this section. To printing and stationery. Okay, the amount will be 4,000. Okay, let's go forward. We have to write the wages. Wages is trading account debit side. Are there any adjustment? Yes, adjustment is outstanding one. Outstanding means we have to add it. So to wages were 3,000 plus outstanding, which was 800. Okay, which is 3,800. Now the outstanding means it is in liability also, so we have to write, leaving 3 lines. We have to make an outstanding account because 2 adjustments were done on outstanding. So outstanding account and wages, and the amount is 800 in the other column. Next, salary. Salary, is there anything on salary? Okay, salary, it is paid in advance, so we have to less it because advance salaries should be less. So 2 salaries, it will come in profit and loss account. So 2 salaries, which is 5,000. Advance salary means prepaid salary, so we will write here prepaid. It will be 2,000 less. So sorry, we have to write here in the inner column 2,000 less. The answer is 3,000. Okay, next, carriage inward. Carriage inward, it will be coming in trading account debit side. To carriage inward. Okay, so it is 4,000 outer column. Okay, next, sales return is done. Drawings are of the partners, and drawings are the expenses, so we will write in the debit side. So 2 drawings of Shilpa is 2000. So instead of in the amount column we have to write the names Shilpa and Katrina. Shilpa and Katrina. So the Shilpa has 2000 of drawing and Katrina has 3000. Now the next is discount. It is an expense, so it will come here to discount, which is 2030 rupees. Okay. Next is advance given to Shahrukh. It is an given in trial banks, and advance is an asset, so it will come in asset side. Cash in hand, cash at bank, these three are in assets, so we'll write them all in assets. So advance given to Shahrukh, cash in hand, cash at bank, you have to write all three. So Shahrukh got 10,000. Okay. Cash in hand was 20,000 and cash at bank was 8,000. Let's move forward. Interest, it is in debit side, so it is an expense. We have to write 2 interest, which is 1,000. Okay. Next is commission. It is in debit side, so it is an expense. So 2 commission. Okay. The commission is 2,000 rupees. Next are royalties. Royalties in trading account, so 2. Okay. So royalties, we have an adjustment on royalty, that is outstanding one. It is given the second column, which is 1,500. So we have to add the outstanding. So it is 1,500. So by adding 2,000 and 1,500, the answer will be 3,500. Okay. The debit side has been done. Now we have to going on credit side. The capital balances are given, which are in the capital account. So we have to write by balance brought down. Okay. You have to write this in full form. Shilpa has 45,000 capital and Katrina also has 45,000 capital. Now next move forward. Bills payable. Bills payable, it is an liability, so we'll write in the liability side, which is in balance sheet. So bills payable, the royalty was outstanding, the second effect will be coming here, which was 1,500. We have to add this both and write the total of the outstanding account, 800 plus 1,500, which is 2,300. Okay, carry forward to the bills payable, which was 17,500. Next is overdraft. Okay, bank overdraft, the amount is 10,000. Okay, purchase returns done. Creditors are also the liabilities, so sundry creditors, you have to write full the sundry creditors, which is 22,000. Okay. Next is bank loan is 15,000. Nothing is given on the bank loan, so direct we have to write bank loan 15,000. And interest received is an income, so we'll write here by interest received, the amount is 1,500. Okay, RD is done and sales is done. So the credit side is also done. Let's move on to adjustment if there are any remaining. The stock, okay, the closing stock is remaining here. So closing stock has 2 effects, one in the trading account and another in the asset side in balance sheet. So closing stock, the answer is 58,000, and the other entry will come in balance sheet asset side. So closing stock 58,000. Okay, let's check the another remaining adjustment. This is also done, this also done, this also done, this also done. So now let's calculate the total. Let's tally. Let's close the trading account first. Okay, so 1800 plus 58,000, the answer is 1,76,000. okay, the credit side is higher. You have to less all the debit expenses from here. So 65,000 less, 48,520 less, 3,800 less 4,000 less 3,500. So the answer is 51,180. This is the gross profit. So to gross profit we have calculated, so it will come carried down. Okay, next, the next is we have to carry forward this gross profit here. So it will come by gross profit brought down. So the answer is 51,180. As we see, there are no entries in the credit side. We have to write the total. So 51,180 plus 1,500. So the answer is 52,680. We have to write here 52,680, 52,680. Okay, now we have to less all the expenses of the debit side from this amount. So less 3615 less 1570 less 4,000 less 3,000 less 2030 less 1,000 less 2,000. The profit which we got is 35,465. This is known as net profit. So we'll write to net profit. Okay, we have to distribute among the partners, that is Shilpa and Katrina. We have to check if there are any ratios given. If there are nothing given, then we have to distribute them equally. So 35,465 divided by 2. The answer is 17,732, and the another will get a rupee extra, which is 17,733. As we know, the last digit number is an odd number. Okay, so we have to give these profits to the partners. So by net profit we have to write 17,732, 17,733. Now we have to close the partners account. So 45,000 plus 17732, that is 62,732, and another will be 62,733. We have to write both them. Okay, we have to less. Okay, the first Shilpa will be getting 60,732, and another one 62,733 minus 3,000, so 59,733. These are the balances of the partners. So we'll write, okay, these balances should be written in the balance sheet where we left the line for them. So here we'll write partners capital account. Okay, Shilpa and Katrina. Okay, Shilpa got 60,732, and Katrina got 59,733. So we have to add them both and get the answer, which is 1,20,465. 1,20,465. Now we have to add them all. So the liability side is 1,87,265. Let's check if the asset side is also same or not. 35,910 plus 15,525 plus 37,830 plus 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 8,000, and the end is 58,000. So we got 1,85,265. We do not got the right answer, so we'll check how much balance is there, which is 2,000. You have to check if we have any left the 2,000 amount. Yes, here the prepaid salary, which is an asset that we paid our salary beforehand. So prepaid salary will come here. Prepaid salary, okay, it is 2,000. So the answer will get rectified. So 1,87,265. Both are tailored.